Model, 2015 Mercedes-Benz CITAN long diesel 109 CDI van. Low mileage. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 76,622. Engine, 1,461 CCOM 607 DE15LA90 HP. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a diesel knock, will need multiple injectors replacing, easy repair to the right person. Steering rack will need replacing as it has massive play in it. Engine, clutch and gearbox are great, just needs a couple of injectors. Will be smile. Drivetrain, transmission perfect, starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.